Right, so here's your starter for tomorrow. So it's about calculating completing the square, I should say, and then working out a turning point. So very first question, probably have to do some working down here. Right, so very first question, 8 squared plus 8, sorry, x squared plus 8x plus 7. Okay, so which one is the answer? So remember, complete the square, just write out the first one here. So what we then do is we have in the brackets x squared. Now, we look at the middle term, okay, look at the coefficient. So what we do is we half it. So we use that sign and it's plus 4. Now, when we actually expand these brackets, we're going to introduce a 16. Okay, so we're going to have to subtract 16 from it just to keep it the way it was. And plus 7, okay, and that is going to be, let's scroll down a wee bit, so that's going to come to minus 9. So if we have a wee look up here, that is that one there. Second question is, right, so second question, x squared minus 14x plus 60. Okay, so that's question 2. So that's x squared minus 14x plus 60. So just, it's going to be in this form, x, and then there'll be a wee bracket. So we look at the middle term, look at the coefficient, so the number in front of it, and it's going to be minus, we just have it, minus 7. However, that's now introduced minus 7 squared, which is going to be 7 times 7, that is going to be 49. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take 49 away, and then we're going to have to add the 60, okay? So if we then write all this out, that's minus 11. Sorry, plus 11. Right, minus 49 plus 60 is plus 11. And that is that one there. And I'll see if I can squeeze in this question 3. So question 3 is x squared minus 2x minus 1. And that is still going to be in this form. That's squared, so we have 2, which is minus 1. We're then going to have to subtract, because minus 1 squared, anything squared is going to be a positive number. So minus 1 squared is 1, and we have to take another 1 away. So we end up x minus 1 squared, and that should be minus 2, which should be that one here. Now the other questions aren't going to require any working out really. So what we've got here is your turning point is essentially found here, okay, that's your x, y coordinate. Now the x coordinate, if you look at the sign in front of it, it's actually the opposite, okay, so when it says x minus 3, that's a positive x coordinate. If it says plus 7, that's a minus x coordinate, okay, and that's your y coordinate. So what we've got here is minus 3, 2, so it's actually x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So that is your answer for this question. It's going to be minus 3, 4, okay, so it's going to be minus 7, 4, and I forgot to actually say that the min and max, if x squared is positive, that's going to be min, and if it's minus x, it's x squared, it's going to be a max, okay, so we've got a positive x squared, that's going to be minus 1, 5 for the coordinates. So we've got positive x squared, so it's going to be a min, and it's going to be plus 10 for the x coordinate and minus 6 for the y coordinate, so plus 10 minus 6. We then have, it's going to be x squared, but it's going to be a minus x, it's going to be a max, that's going to be 3, 5, okay, so 3, 5. And again, it's going to be a max because it's minus x squared, and that is going to be plus 1, so it would be a positive 1, 2. Okay, so max, positive 1, 2. And that's your answers for your start.